Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. We will be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 29th September to 3rd October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here first let's see what happened in GBP USD pair on Friday. So as you can see 0.38% positive move, 1.33927 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a medium lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 3124 range, which is indicating as a slight positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for indicators or RSI, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels and take a better decision according to that data. So let's now mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel because I make such weekly analysis video every week. So that click on the bell icon and also click on all notification on so that you don't miss any videos that I upload. Currently, let's now talk about as you can see there are already important support, resistance and support are already marked. We don't need to mark any important data because we have already done the analysis last week and we have already marked some levels. So currently, if I talk about the closing here, 1.33927 was the closing here. The direct support is 1.33805 and direct resistance is 1.34312. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33394 and then 1.33003. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34667 and then 1.35069. So currently, these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better trades for coming week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Even I have shared 20% discount coupon that will help you to get 20% off on any challenges that you buy on the prop firm one. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for coming week. Currently, my expectation is a bit of positive. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.34312 to 1.34667. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. If you are looking for any bearish trade, then only look for a bearish trade if 1.33805 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short position till 1.33394. So these are the important levels that you need to follow if you're looking for any bearish trade. Currently, my expectation is positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.